Have you ever seen someone hit a ball so far that everyone cheers? That's cricket. Today, we'll learn how this amazing game works in just few minutes. What is cricket? Cricket is played by two teams. Each team has 11 players. One team bats while the other team bowls and fields. The goal is to score more runs than the other team. Meet the cricket field. The big cricket field, the pitch, the wickets, the bat, the ball, two batters, one bowler, the wicket keeper. How do you score runs? Hit the ball, run to the other end. 1 run for each successful swap. 4 runs, ball bounces before reaching the boundary. 6 runs, ball flies over the boundary without bouncing. Wow! That ball flew like a rocket. That's 6 runs. How can a batter get out? 5 most common ways are bowled, caught, run out, LBW, stumped. Example: the batter swings and misses. Crash! The ball knocks the stumps over. Oh no, he's out. Overs and innings. 6 balls make 1 over. Then another bowler takes a turn. When almost all batters are out, or all overs are finished, the teams swap places. Quick recap. 2 teams. Score runs. Protect your wicket. Hit 4s and 6s. Get more runs to win. Now you know the basics of cricket. Next time you watch a match, you'll know exactly what's happening. If you had fun learning cricket, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more awesome sports adventures.